Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to make a roasted red pepper chili. So this is a veggie chili, so no meat in sight. So we've got loads of kidney beans, black beans, and we've got some spices in there, paprika to give it a bit of smokiness, and we've got some herbs as well, like oregano and mixed herbs, but those roasted red peppers are the key. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. So to start with, as you can see, I've chopped up all my red peppers here, and I've just put them on a baking tray and I've just drizzled them with a little bit of olive oil. So they're going to go in at gas mark 6 for about 50 minutes, 45 to 50 minutes. So I'm going to keep checking on them halfway through just to check they're not getting burnt and they're being lovely and soft. So first things first, we want to add in some onion and some celery into some oil. Get that cooking on a medium heat on the hob and then add in some chopped garlic. Give that a good stir. We don't want to cook the onions too long, just until they're slightly softened, and then we are ready to add the next ingredients, which are our spices. In goes a cinnamon stick and a teaspoon of mixed herbs, and then a teaspoon of cumin as well, and give that all a good mix on the hob. Then we add in some smoked paprika to give it that smoky flavour. This is great if you're not adding chili, say if you're going to give this to the kids, so the smokiness just adds it like a little bit of heat. We've added some chopped tomatoes and some water to make our base of our chili. Give that a stir and then let that simmer slowly on the hob. Then we're going to add in those black beans. You can add kidney beans if you want, or cannellini beans, but black beans just work really well. And I've taken out those roasted red peppers after about 45 minutes, and they're lovely and soft, and they will go straight into the chili, and stir it gently and then let that all simmer on the hob together. So once that's cooked, this dish smells amazing. It's really healthy for you as well. A great veggie dish to make at home. And whack it on some jacket potatoes or even some rice is fine, and it makes a great midweek dinner. As always, thanks for watching guys. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and please spread the word to your friends, family, or anyone that you think that might enjoy my recipes.